So good morning, everybody. So this is Ramesh Adhikari, and I'm from Humboldt State University, and I have a PhD in finance. So this year I chose to submit this talk to this conference, thinking that I can teach some finance to this computer and software engineers. I hope that this is going to be interesting for you guys. My goal is to show the use of Mathematica or Wolfram language in the investment analysis. So those of you guys who are very well versed in programming, how can you think of choosing investment field as your professional career or consulting for those kind of things? So what I would like to do here is mostly I would like to talk and show the application of this Wolfram language for analysis of investment. That's what I'm trying to do here.